I'm Jared Taylor, founder of Kingdom Media Marketing, and we started our company officially in 2005. We did it more as a part-time business at the time. We started out building websites for churches and helping out with different things in the ministries that we were involved with. Over time, um, worked with, like I mentioned, churches and nonprofits, and then we started working with small businesses. But we were working with, starting out with their website and then working with different events, um, getting the word out for church plants and different ones that we were involved with, where we were literally trying to get the community to know about a new church or new organization and somewhere that they had not even known that was there. So that's kind of how we got our start. But I also spent some time, about a decade, at Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet and worked in their marketing department. And so while we got to Woodstock through the work that we had done from marketing, we learned a lot, and we've applied all those tools and different skills and different disciplines to what we do now. So if we come to you and with an idea, it's something that we've done. It's not just something we've heard about. So all the things that we bring are things that we've experienced or we've done, whether it's website building or email marketing campaigns or text marketing or even CTV and getting things done with like scripting and getting you on the radio. We literally have worked with or done these things ourselves to see the campaign come to fruition. So we love to partner with our clients, come alongside and work with you with your goals and your budget and figure out the best solution to make things work for you and to get more eyeballs on your website, foot traffic to your brick and mortar store, whatever it might be. We're comfortable with, and we've got experience helping you do that. So we like to say that if it helps your company or your business grow, get found, or look good, that Kingdom Media Marketing does it. We'd love to partner with you. We'd love for you to reach out and meet you and learn about how we can do just that.